Hello and welcome to the official unboxing video for December's art box. This month's box theme is Snowball Fight. So we have all sorts of snow themed items for you today in this box. And of course we have our cute little joke in here. And then this month we've included a recipe for snowball cookies for you. Getting into the box here. Starting off, we have the blue stamping polish, J for a Day from What's Up Nails. If you haven't tried the What's Up Nails stamping polish, I really highly recommend that you do. It is a highly pigmented and thick nail polish made specifically for stamping, and it has a little bit longer dry time, which I really love, as it doesn't make me have to work quite so fast when I'm doing stamping. And to go with that stamping polish, we have the What's Up Nails Holiday Snowfall plate. So this one has all sorts of snowflakes, celebration type things. There's some little champagne glasses on there. Even got a little sleigh with some reindeer. And then of course the ever popular, all the different snowflakes. Then I have the Young Nails Glitter Crystal. So this is a very fine white glitter. It has the tiniest bit of a holographicness to it. It's hard to see on camera, but it is quite white, and the holographic is more of like a bluey pink kind of color. And then we have the Young Nails Foil Transfer Base. So this is an air dry foil glue, I'm gonna call it. So this one does not need any curing at all. This one works really, really well. And to go with that, we have two different packs of foils for you. So this one here is going to be more snowflakes that are more kind of individual snowflakes. So you can sort of just put, like, you could cut just one snowflake out and, you know, match it with some stars and things like that. So those are all different colors there. And then this one is more full nail styles. So there are some, like, it's not totally covered, but you would, you know, probably use a section of this sort of thing. And then, you know, you have your full ones, all sorts of snowflakes and fun things like that in here as well. And then we have these little snowflake glitters. I think these are so cute. So if you look, they are little metal nail decals. And it looks like they're white on one side and colored on the other. So they are. They're actually colored on one side and then they are white on the other. I really like these guys. I think they're really cute. And they are metal, so they are fully bendable. So they make it really easy to get onto your nails. And then we have the glitter I'm Always Right from Light Elegance. I believe this was in their winter collection from last year. And this one, as you can see, is a holographic silver. It almost has a bit of a bluey, greeny sort of tone to it. Really perfect for the holiday season. It's a little on the chunkier side, but it's not a super chunky glitter. And last but not least, we have Nail Basics Snow. So if you're unfamiliar, this is our thickest and whitest building gel. So this one is so white that it does not cure on a form, but if you were wanting to use it for a sculpted nail, like a new nail, if they don't have existing nail underneath, you can put vanilla underneath of it. So that was the gel in our November box. And then build your snow on top of that. But this is a really great, awesome, super white building gel, really crisp smile lines, and no self-level on this one.